little ASMR moment, you know? If you guys missed it, I made horchata whipped coffee, and not to toot my own horn, but it's fire, like so fire. So if you guys missed it, check that out. What is up, you guys? Yes here. Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing another TikTok hacks video. You guys seem to really be into these. I've actually already done several. So if you're new to my channel, I've already done a part 1, 2, 3. Have I done a part 4? I'm not sure if I've done a part 4, but I've done several of them. So I'm gonna link them all in my description box below in case you guys wanna catch up on videos. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. If you guys aren't already subscribed, please don't forget to before we get started, and also hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. So if you guys are ready, then let's get right into it. We're gonna need honey, powdered sugar, strawberries, and milk. All right, so the first thing we're gonna need is a cup of chopped strawberries like this. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some powdered sugar. In the video, she doesn't specify how much, but we're just gonna add that much. That seems like a lot, honestly. But okay, and then we're gonna go in with our honey. Like I said, she didn't really specify, you know, how much of anything. We're gonna go ahead and melt this. Is this air diet friendly? Kinda, because it's fruit, but also there's a lot of sugar in here, so. I'm tempted to just eat it like that, but we won't. I know we probably should have just done this to begin with, but for aesthetic reasons, you know? All right, so it's on the heat. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll come and stir it. All right, so now we have our jelly, I guess. We're gonna go ahead and should I have done more strawberries, or is this enough? I feel like I might need more. Is this enough? Do we think this is enough? It should be enough, right? I think, maybe. All right, so we've added the strawberries and it's almost kind of like a jam, kind of. So now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our milk. And I'm gonna go about halfway because I'm gonna add a lot of ice. So I'm gonna take a spoon and kind of try to like smash it up. All right, so I'm adding the ice to it. It's not turning pink. Hers was like really pink. I mean, it's kind of pink, but like not as pink as hers. All right, so I'm just gonna add a little strawberry. We got our straw, and there we go. All right, so here it is. We have our strawberry milk. I added a little strawberry and my clear straw, just, you know, because we want it to be like cute and like vibey or whatever. But let's go ahead and taste it. Mine's definitely not as pink as hers is, but I'm wondering if she just used a lot more strawberries than I did. Like I said, I didn't really know how much strawberries to use. So let's see. Also, it looked like she used regular milk because her milk was really white. So let's see. I got a piece of strawberry. Look at it, it's stuck in my straw. Well, that was kind of a fail. All right, let's see. It's actually really good, like when the strawberries come in. Did you guys say I got a strawberry? Some pieces are too big. That's actually pretty good, you guys. You guys, it's kind of a hit. It's definitely not as pink as hers is. But I definitely think that maybe if you added more strawberries, it could be even more pink, or also if you add like a little bit of food coloring. But honestly, it's kind of a vibe.
For this one, we're gonna need Oreos, a cup, and milk.
This is supposedly supposed to be like an Oreo cake in the microwave. So we're just gonna go ahead and put 3 Oreos in there, and then some milk. I don't want it to be too runny. And then you're supposed to smash them, so it's not really making it easier, but I for sure don't want it to be too runny because I saw some people were doing it and it was too runny.
All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. It actually looks pretty cakey. So I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit because it's pretty hot, and then we're gonna taste. For this one, we're gonna need some different flavored jellos, grapes, and toothpicks.
All right, so while we wait for the cookie to like sit, I don't wanna eat it while it's too hot. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of this blue jello in here. I'm not gonna pour all of it because it's only me, so. And then the red one in here, that actually smells really good. So, some blue and some purple. The girl in the video had all the different colors, but honestly, I wanna try it, you know, and just see how it goes. Okay, and then we're gonna take our toothpicks and we're gonna stab the grape. And she said that she put it in the fridge, but I think I'm gonna put it in the freezer because I personally love frozen grapes. So we're gonna give it a go. All right, so this is what we got. I'm gonna do that many just because I don't foresee myself hella eating some, but I'm gonna put them in the freezer now.
All right, so here we have the cookie cake, you guys. It actually looks really good, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some ice cream. We'll just add 1 scoop for now, just to taste it and see what it's like. It's like warm and I'm kind of living for it.
All right, so I'm kind of ready for my mind to be blown. You guys, it honestly looks really good. Like I'm actually kind of shocked at the texture that is in here. Let's see. I'm shocked. I really am shocked. You guys, it's like actually spongy. Like it's dead ass like a cake. Like to be completely honest, when I saw that, they looked really runny, so that didn't look very like enticing to me. But listen, honey, this is a game changer, like game changer. Like it is like dead ass like cake. Do you see that? It's like spongy cake, spongy, like it's, okay. Wow. My mind is actually so blown, seriously. Like I think this might be like my favorite hack out of all the hacks that we've done because it's so easy and it's literally like cake. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. TikTok is coming through with all of these hacks, you guys, seriously. Now that's what I call a hack, okay? Whoever came up with that, wow, brilliant.
Here we just need some grapes and lime.
All right, so I don't really know about this being like a hack, but I thought I'd include it because everybody keeps saying that if you eat these grapes with lemon, wait, this is a lemon, right? Or is this a lime? I feel like now I confuse myself, you know what I mean? And then it tastes like a Sour Patch Kid. So I figured let's taste it together. First off, I don't even like Sour Patch Kids, so why am I doing this? I don't know. I just don't care for them, man. You know, it's just not my favorite candy. All right, let's eat. I think I need more because I'm not seeing it here. What? Is this lemon broken? I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know about all that. It just tastes like a grape with lemon. I don't see it.
Here we need hot Cheetos, pickles, lime, and tahini.
All right, so I'm a little bit scared for this one. I don't know why, because I like pickles, but I don't know. There's something about it that kind of like scares me, so I'm not gonna do too much of it. And then we're gonna add pickles and pickle juice. It just sounds kind of gross, you know? All right, so these are my favorite kind of pickles. I'm gonna chop them. It just kind of looks gross, you know? But I'm not gonna knock it until I try it. So, plus I like all of these things. It's just the combo. I'm gonna eat my first hot pickle ever very soon. I bought it because some girl on the internet made it look so good. And a lot of you guys said that you guys love hot pickles and I should eat them with hot Cheetos. Oh my God, this is kind of what you guys were suggesting. Wow, this is like your guys' idea. It's the smell of it that kind of like, it's a lot, you know? But I like it. Ugh, okay. And then it said to add pickle juice. Honestly, I'm just gonna add it like that. Like I'm not gonna add that much. Sorry, it's a lot. Okay. Is anybody else grossed out by this or is it just me? But like, don't be offended if you like it because I'm probably gonna like it, honestly. But it's just like, it doesn't look great. You know, the presentation of it just, I don't know. All right, and then we're gonna add some tahini.
All right, so there we have it.
You guys, so this is my hot pickle. A lot of you guys said that the regular kind is better because this is the hot and spicy kind, but this is all they had. And I got it because it was on Instacart and I was like, that's that one pickle that girl was eating and it looks so good. So anyways, it's cold though. I don't know if this is supposed to be hot. Is it supposed to be hot? Because if it is, it's not. I had it in the fridge. So that's the tea on that. Okay. Are we ready for this? Okay. I don't know, man. I don't think I can eat them together. Like, I'm having a Cheeto. Let me get a pickle. Okay. That I can do. I don't think I can eat them like together. But I can eat them separate. I like the pickles. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna give it another chance with you. I think it's just the textures together. They just don't mash because the Cheetos are like spongy and, you know. Comment down below if this grosses you out, or also comment down below if you think like, yum. I see where the pickle juice is kind of good on the Cheetos because it gives it this like vinegary taste. Oh, vinegar gross. All right, so I just pulled out the grapes. They're obviously not completely frozen because, you know, they barely went in like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. But okay, let's see. They should be at least cold. Here, let me move this. Where did I move this? All right, let's see. Okay. I mean, a low-key just tastes like flavored sugar, but they are kind of frozen. Okay, let's see. Listen, honey, your kids would love this because it's nothing but like grapes and sugar. Is this healthy? Hell no. No, it's not. Is it good? Yes. But is it bad for you? It's literally all sugar. But also, just because you mix it with water doesn't mean it's not still sugar. You know? So I guess it's the same as if you were to eat Jell-O, except for you're eating it in a grape. So it's healthier that you ate it with a grape than it is if you would have just ate it as Jell-O. You know what I mean? So, I don't know. If you were gonna eat Jell-O anyways, you might as well eat it with fruit, you know? That taste is more like a Sour Patch. What? Did I just come up with my own hack? Oh my god, hold on. I'll just taste it again. What? What? Okay. Now this is something you would want to try. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the little hacks or cooking, whatever that we had going on in here. I think all of them were a hit for me except for the lemon and the grapes claiming to taste like Sour Patch. Personally, I didn't see it, but something that is worth trying is the one with grapes and Jell-O and lemon. That I think is worth trying. Let me know down below in the comments what else you guys want to see from me. And also, please be sure to try out the Oreo cake one. Like, that is definitely my favorite one, and I feel like it's a real game changer. So make sure you guys try it out. Add some ice cream, add some whipped cream, make it hella cute. I'm probably gonna try that with other different kinds of cookies, but make sure you guys follow me on Instagram to see if it actually works. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. And I'll talk to you guys next time.